I want to give a quick shout out to Whitney Ziegler of Big Rocks Organizing. I first met her at a Beaverton Chamber event. Then I asked our mid-sized real estate company agents if they would like Whitney as a guest speaker at our sales meeting, and they said yes. Whitney came in and talked around many of the areas she specializes in, and it was really great. The decluttering and organizing ideas were some of my favorites, as well as several others. Several of our realtors and our clients have hired Whitney in the last year, and all have had good experience. Just as her marketing says, she is a professional, she's compassionate and respectful, and I can say that from firsthand experience because she has worked with some of our very challenging clients. I trust her. You will too. I highly recommend Whitney and Big Rocks Organizing. Ask Whitney how she came up with her name, her company name, Big Rocks. You'll be in for a treat. Thanks, Whitney, for your ongoing support with us and our clients. Call or text Whitney at 503-567-9610. Have a great day.